So downtown Franklin, North Carolina, and we're going to go to Highlands, North Carolina. It's a really cool place about 30 miles south of Franklin, but there's a really cool road to get us there. It's Route 64, and the way that we're going to do that is to get on 28 South, which is known as the Highlands Road. So it's going to take us south out of Franklin into Highlands. We're doing this on a Tuesday before lunch, so I'm not expecting a crazy crap ton of traffic like it would be on a weekend, I hope. Fingers crossed on that one. We'll see. I've been wrong before. So this is the Cullasaja, I don't know if I'm saying that right, but this is the gorge. Look at this. Nobody behind me, so I don't have to speed up. Rock walls I had to cut out. So we can get a little road through here. Right here though. Oh! That's cool, right? Station 1,000 feet on our right. I mentioned that there's some waterfalls here. You see it right over there.
Very short hike.
So that's Cullasaja Falls. Kind of see it right there a little bit too. That is a big drop off to the right. I don't know if you can see it or not. I know y'all never get to see the same things I get to see, even though I do try. But the road is just outstanding. The problem is catching this road without traffic on it. That's hard to do. This is a pretty busy road. Duty bopping right along now with no traffic, which is great. We don't want to duty bop too much though, because we'll definitely catch up with traffic if we do. What am I saying? We're going to catch up with traffic no matter what we do. Old sweepy left there, still going, still going, still going, still going, still going. Oh, there we go. Just a fantastic ride. You should definitely take it. Bikes going the other way. Lots of bikes going the other way. What a piece of road this is. Yes. What too far forward? Hold on. I don't have to get off for this one. This is called the Quarry Falls. It's not nearly as big and dramatic as the other one, but it's definitely worth stopping at because you can walk right down to the river here. I stopped in third. Scoot over here a little bit. So yeah, you can walk down right into the river here if you want to. Cool little waterfall though. Onward. 20 miles an hour, next 1 mile. Yes, sir. Looking forward to it, sir. I'll give you this mile in real time. How much fun can one road be? About to pop out into the sun here. Whoop. Maybe a mile and a half away from the most touristy spot of touristy spots on this road. Oh, he's gonna turn off. That is so nice of you, bro. As you can see, this used to be the road, and you used to drive under the waterfall, but now you're not allowed to. but you can still get out and walk under it. So that's what we're going to do.
So this is Bridal Falls, and the road used to go right through here, and you used to be able to drive under it, but they stopped that for some reason. But it is still totally cool to come over here and walk under it.
Neat. But I feel like we've made a strong case for why you would want to come ride this road. So this is Main Street, Highlands. You can see we're going to get down into the shopping area. But you can see it's quite busy even on a Tuesday here in late August. So basically we're just sitting in town in traffic. So is Highlands worth coming to visit? Yeah, especially if you have someone with you that's of the female persuasion. I'm sure they would love to come and walk around down here. So anyway, Highlands, North Carolina. Franklin to Highlands, North Carolina by Route 64 and 28. Fantastic. Go through there, you got all those waterfalls. There's a bunch of places I didn't stop. There's some hiking trails, camping places, cookout places, all that kind of good stuff. Like, comment, share, subscribe, do all that stuff. Or come ride it and tell me what you think about it. Have a good day.